Hey guys, it's Crystal. I'm outside today. Don't mind the crazy makeup. We were playing with makeup today in our quarantine stay-at-home days, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So today's video is a hat holder that I've been wanting to make for a while. I have a few hats. And yeah, if you want to see how I did that, please keep watching. Again, this is more for inspiration. Please do not go out and buy things right now. Use what you have at home.
Right, that was a big one.
And yeah, hope you guys are staying safe. And
because the coronavirus.
Oh, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So I basically just took some of our fence posting that we had in our backyard. My husband sanded it down, and then I got Minwax Dark Walnut and stained it. These hooks are from the dollar spot at Target before, you know, all the quarantine stuff happened. And I'm using the 1/2 inch screw to screw it in. Next, I'm just measuring where exactly I want the hooks to be placed and using my hats also as a reference guide, so that way they are spread apart. Also using just a pencil and ruler just to make sure everything is measured correctly where I want it. Once I've got everything measured out where I want it, I get the 1/2 screws and start drilling them. I did not pre-drill on this project. And here's the end result. And me putting all of my wonderful hats on the hooks. If you guys like this project, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more projects like this, please hit that bell notification so that way you will be notified when my next video is uploaded. And please don't forget to subscribe also if you haven't done so already. And please check out my jewelry holder video that I did before this project. Thanks guys, have a good day.